Good evening. This is your host, Whiskey 60, and we're just checking in with you to give you an update on the rebuild of the shop. And we have got it cleaned off, everything taken down. We just got to sweep it one more time, take some pictures, and send it in and to the guys that are bringing the building out so they can get an idea of the layout and everything. And then they'll update us on when the building's sent. So anyway, I'm going to switch the camera around and we'll take a look at what the slab looks like now. All right, here's the slab. It's all cleaned off now. The building, well, let me get over here and explain to people what happened. On this side of the slab, it broke off on this edge, probably about 3 feet in. So we've got a 30 by 40 building coming. Now right here where I'm standing, this is the 40-foot mark from here to the end of the slab there. So this is how long it will be. Now, like I said, 3 foot of it broke off along this side, so we're going to have to shift that 30 foot over here to the left, and that's going to come over here onto the old overhang to right about here on the edge where my foot's at. And this overhang from there to there will be about a 10-foot overhang, where the old one was about a 16-foot overhang, 16 by 60. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Yeah, right here is the 30 or the 40-foot mark to the end there. So yeah, the new one will be 30 by 40. Those are the old posts where the lift was. I don't know if they're going to come out where I can set another one right on top, or if I'll have to move it over a little bit, but time will tell about that. So anyway, that's it for now for the update, and we'll check in with you later. Whiskey out.